check it out. There's people that have actually died in this trail here. Oh my god, I'm sorry. So here's where it starts. So there's where we're going. That peak over there. Alright, so right now we're heading out to Bryce National Park. It's snowing here. We were gonna stay here for one night. Yeah. But we decided to extend our stay because supposedly the roads were getting bad. Oh, that's really bright. Yeah.
But then we learned that they clean the roads fast and it's common here for it to snow like that.
Yeah, it's common for it to snow like that because of the high elevation. So, but I think I still think we made the right choice to stay here for another day. So this is day 3, no? Day 3 of our vacation?
Yeah.
So this is day 3 of our vacation, and we're gonna go see how it is over there at Bryce. Hopefully we could get there safely. I heard that the roads here are not that bad because they clean them, but we'll see. But on the positive note, we also have 4-wheel drive in our car. So that is a good thing. It's snowing, and we're not gonna get a view today because it's what is this thing called? Wind visibility?
It's snow blowing. You should have brought our ponchos.
Alright, this is Bryce Canyon. Oh, actually you can see a little. Huh? Oh wow, it's also pretty cool so far here.
I can't even see.
Ah. So this is Bryce Canyon. There's really not that much visibility. It's so crazy. What are we doing here? Well, we can come back tomorrow again.
Oh,
so
look, it's better here in the street.
where? So how's your Bryce Canyon National Park visit going so far?
Good.
Good?
Why?
No, because it's really windy and snowy.
I know. I would like to see the view like here in this map, you know, this picture. That's how it looks.
Oh yeah, huh?
But it's a blizzard.
Unfortunately,
But
it had to snow.
It still looks pretty with the snow.
So if you don't get to see the view, here it is. Well, we have all day today and tomorrow, so
to be honest,
I'm not really rushing. Most of it is closed, no? Because of the snow?
You said only 3 miles was open.
Yeah. Do you want to drive more that way? See what we find?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe we could actually find something cool.
Yeah, let's go.
Alright, let's go. I'm gonna put the tripod back in the car. It's a blizzard out there. So you're just gonna sit there and watch the snow all day? I mean, all night?
Yeah. Wow.
It's just windy and snowy out there.
But it's not snowing.
Man, it looks cold. Like, I
It's
wouldn't
not
want to be
snowing?
out there right now. I think it's just wind blowing snow.
Oh my god. Wow. But look how much it has increased.
Yeah.
The snow. Wow. It has snowed so much.
But you like snow, so you're fine with that, right?
Yeah, I like it. I'm gonna go outside and play.
Go. I dare you to go. And just like lay down and do
Oh, I wanna do that.
What's the temperature right now?
Well, it's probably like I saw that it was gonna be -1.
-1 today?
Yeah, I think. But let me check right now, cause
I would expect it to be more, because it looks colder out there. Colder than -1 out there.
well, let me check. You're gonna tell me. Right now it's 23, but it says the real feels 10.
Then
10 outside.